She knows how to bake, so she better know how to bake this makeup.
Hey guys.
Oh wait, I'm doing the introductions. Hey guys, I'm back with another video. I'm back with another video, and I have two special guests with me. My sisters, my only sisters.
Elena and Lindsay.
And we're gonna be doing a makeup video for you guys. And I got some stuff from Sephora yesterday, so I'm going to be using some of the products that I got and then some of the products that I already have, and we're gonna see if Lindsay can do my makeup.
And I have to try to pronounce them.
And she's gonna show the products, and we thought it would be funny if she could just pronounce the products for us because she doesn't use makeup like this. They've never even seen my makeup. I don't even really wear makeup, but we're gonna try and see if we can make a look out of this.
And also remember to hit that subscribe button.
What's first things first?
Is our primer.
Primer. So I already am freshly washed face. I already have a little bit of lotion on, so I'm pretty moisturized. I have normal to dry skin, so I like to keep my skin pretty moisturized, especially in the winter time. So let's find our primer.
The Becca Black
Say it into the camera.
Priming Filter.
Okay.
Okay.
So never used this before. This is something that I got yesterday.
You can use a beauty blender, but sometimes I like to use my fingers.
Yeah, you can just go ahead and use your fingers for the primer because it's just that lotion type consistency. And since this is for glow, I'm gonna just put it in my T-zone area and where I would highlight. So,
Stop turning your head. Face
they
me.
can't see it. Not too much. Okay.
And I'm gonna blend this in.
Rub it in good, girl.
Ooh. Gonna make you look pretty. So as you can see,
So is it brightening up anywhere?
yeah, it is brightening on like your cheek, like this area. So that's what happens after you put the primer on.
So can you guys see a difference? I don't know. I can't see. We're gonna zoom in so you guys can see up close what it looks like and see if she did some flawless. What's that?
Foundation.
No. Well,
Oh,
what do you? Well, so what's the right thing to do? Is it concealer or foundation
this
first?
This is the powder.
You can do either or.
Yeah, I usually put on foundation first. This is a foundation plus a concealer.
Where is it from?
This is from Clinique.
Clinique? Clinique.
Oh, Clinique, sorry.
And it's Beyond Perfecting foundation and concealer. So a little bit of this goes an entirely long way. So you don't have to be heavy-handed with this. And this is what it looks like on the brush. So go ahead and do your thing. So how's it blending?
Good. It's actually blending a little well.
A little well?
No, it's really
And don't wipe it. You can blotch it like this.
This is by CoverGirl.
Okay.
It's Clean Invisible Concealer.
Guys.
Make sure you don't like wipe it, but like plotch it on. So it's right here.
What have we covered so far?
We did
primer,
the primer, the foundation,
foundation, and concealer.
And then we did the invisible concealer. We just did that.
Right.
And
what's the thing to set it all together and make it stay put?
The
setting powder.
Yep.
What we are going to use next is the translucent loose setting powder, medium deep, from Laura Mercier.
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 No, that's not how you say it. It's Mercier.
Mercier, whatever.
The R silent. All right.
Whoa.
So she's gonna bake me. I'm gonna just show her how to do it because she's never done it. So just compress, 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 compress. And then you just leave it there and you let it set, and it takes all the moisture out of your makeup. The other side.
So is it supposed to be fully blended into your face?
No, not yet. So while that's setting, what are we gonna do next? Eyeshadow? And
Eyeshadow.
that's a really good idea. Do you guys know why that is? You should do the powder first and have the powder under your eyes and then do your eyeshadow, and then when you're done you sweep it away. Because it depends on the eyeshadow you use, but if you have an eyeshadow that's normally loose and you're wiping it everywhere, it's gonna end up under your eye, and you don't want that look because it just messes your face up. So once you have that powder under your eye, you can just swipe that away with a brush and it's gone. So it's nice to have a powder underneath to kind of catch all of the residue that you have and sweep that away.
Oh, for pop.
Yeah, so it's ColourPop, and with who? Karuchi. Karuchi Tran.
We are going to use a Dainty Metallic, Empress Metallic, and Damsel?
Damsel.
Damsel.
Like damsel
matte.
in distress.
Damsel matte.
Yeah.
Let's swatch it. You can do this.
Yeah. You go like this. Like that.
Mind you, she's not a makeup artist. I'm not a makeup artist. We're not makeup artists, so it's not gonna be perfect. And just the brow bone, not my eyelid. Are we done?
I have to blend it.
Don't do that.
It looks pretty.
Okay. Alright.
Finally, in the next video, you can do our makeup.
Okay. Yes! Elena's gonna do my makeup next, y'all.
And you know what? It's going to be... Okay, so now we are going to brush off the powder.
Alright, so it's time to, we're done baking. We're officially out of the oven. Lindsay, you want to tell them you bake? What'd you bake yesterday?
Cookies. Peanut butter cookies.
She knows how to bake, so she better know how to bake this makeup. So that's all I'm saying. Go ahead.
Her eyebrows.
Now Lauren's eyebrows are pretty bushy, so I won't be putting a lot of eyebrow pencil on.
As you can see, it has like this thing on it.
The spoolie?
Yeah, the spoolie, but we already have one of those brushes, so we can just use the other side of that so we don't have to get out the spoolie.
So brush them out first. Brush out my brows first since they're so bushy. Do it lighter. It hurts, Lindsay.
We are going to be using the Sephora Rogue Gel Lip Liner for her lips.
Uh-huh. And what is the color?
The color is hot sauce,
Swag.
number 32.
Yes.
And then when she uses the lip gloss, it's gonna give it a little bit of glitter and a layer
And
touch.
shine. shine.
Shimmer and shine.
Alright, so this is the Fenty, what was the color?
The color was Gloss Bomb, Fenty Glow.
It smells really good, by the way.
It does.
Smells like
Vitamins.
honey vitamins. So we are finished.
No. Y'all still need to do eyeliner and mascara.
Oh, Lindsay is going to do the Sephora Colorful Wink It Felt Liner, waterproof.
In case you're going into water, but it's December. I mean, it's January, so we're not really going into water. So she's just gonna do a small wing on the side.
Can I just do
No. I don't want you to. Huh? Wait.
I'm pretty sure this is bad.
This is how you don't do eyeliner, and this is how you do. And I can't even see. Oh my god, I look like a so y'all really want to y'all really want to know how I look like a clown?
Can you cut this part out,
No.
please?
That's how your eyeliner is supposed
Do's
to
and don'ts, people. Do's and don'ts. All right, yes, let's go. Let's get it.
Now we're going to use the Lights Camera lashes from
Tarte.
Tarte.
So last but certainly not least is highlighter. I'm sure you guys don't really use highlighter like that, but I do.
The color of Hustler Baby
Hustler Baby.
from Kilowatt.
Yeah, it's the Kilowatt. That's what the highlighter is called.
Oh.
Highlighter 101. The cheekbone, the highest part of your cheekbone to accentuate that when the light hits it. And then the T-zone, of course. Just straight down the nose, the chin, and the Cupid's bow. So that is it for my makeup video with my sisters. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel.
Just hit that subscribe button.
And like this video if you enjoyed it. And we'll be back for another one maybe. I will definitely be back. Do you guys want to come back on the channel and do something interesting?
And that Lindsay is not the best at makeup, but it's okay.
And that Elena is not the best at reading, but it's okay.
Alright.
Bye. Hit that subscribe button.
See you guys next time.